Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel JD Cars and Bikes. For getting an update of used cars like this, all you need to do is subscribe my channel and get the notification bell icon on. So today we are standing near Hyundai i10 and it's a 1.2 liter Kappa engine. It's a 1.2 liter Kappa engine, petrol engine. So this is a view of this car. Rubbing, polish and paint touch-ups all have been done with this vehicle. It's a single owner vehicle, single owner used, and kilometer covered around 32,000, which I'll be showing you. And I can return over here, and it's a Magna variant powered by 1.2 liter engine. So this is the side profile of the car. Very neat and very clean maintained. So this is a boot space of this car. There is no much more space in the boot, and you get an extra stepney over here with the toolkit. I guess the camera is not focusing on it because there's no light over here. There's more dark over here. And coming on to the rear door pad, we get a power window switch with the grab handle and the lock and unlock lever with the speaker. And we don't get any storage space over here. And this leather upholstery is a stock one. Very good and neat maintained. It's very clean in condition, so you don't get any armrest over here. Armrest over here, and the headrest you don't get on this side. So the co-driver side door, you get a power window switch with the grab handle, and it's a lock and unlock lever with some storage space and the speaker over here. And this car comes with a manual side view mirror adjustment. It's a lever for the view adjustment. So moving on to the engine, as I told you, it's a 1.2 liter Kappa petrol engine, which produces about the mileage in the city is about 16 plus if you are driving on the lower RPMs. If you are covering on the higher RPM, it will be go down to 14 or 13 km per liter. Very neat and very good maintained. I'll show you the tire button and the size now. So there's up to 90% button on the tire, and the tire size of this vehicle is 155/80R13, which is all 5 tires are of 13 inches. So moving on to the interior, the driver's side door, we get a lock and unlock lever with the 4 power window switches, which can be manually adjusted by the driver side for all side, and it's a lock for window locking, and it's a grab handle, some storage space over here, and this speaker, and again here is a lever for controlling the side view mirror adjustment. And on the top we get a 2 sunshade. For the co-driver side we get a mirror, And for the driver side, we don't get any mirror. It's just a normal one. And there's a reading light over here. And this is a dashboard space of this car. There's a 4 AC vent over here. 1, 2, 3, and this is a fourth one. The infotainment system, the Sony's, it's a Sony and it's a aftermarket one. And this is a AC vents with the 5-speed manual gear lever, and there's some storage over here to keep any stuff. And this is a 12-volt charging socket. And in the center console we get 2 cup holders over here and some storage space over here and here. And this is a handbrake lever which can be adjusted by the manually. And coming on to the speedometers, we get a RPM meter and the speedometer and the fuel gauge with the temperature gauge. And this is a key of this car without any remote control. It's a stock one. So now I'll show you the odo. It's a genuine reading. 32,264 kilometers till now. No tampering or no reversing done on its odo. So this lever is for controlling the wipers, and this lever is for controlling the headlights and the indicator, everything. So that's it. I have mentioned all the contact details with the Google Map link and the address of this showroom in the description box below. Go and check it out once. It will be very easy for you all to reach here or to connect me. And then if you like the video, then please do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to comment below. Thank you.